Hey everyone, it's Adrian. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to be making a Gmail template canned response from scratch in a Gmail account. So let's get on with today's video. So we'll come straight over to my email account. This is Gmail, and if you click on this cog over here, you'll see all settings. So we'll come here, come along this tab here where it says General Labels, Accountants, come over to Advanced, and where it says Templates here, make sure that this is enabled, not disabled. So we come back to my email account. We'll just come back 2 steps. We're going to make a canned response from scratch. So we'll come over to compose, guys. So we'll compose a new email. I should send this to myself. So just type in my other email address, which is deaconadrian@gmail.com. Subject line, I will just type in that box off. Just type in the subject here. Affiliate marketing course. This can be done for just friends, or if you have a customer base. Now the email I'd like to send, I've got a copy of it. What I should do is I should drop it in here. I should just paste it in here. This is the email I want to send, or I want to make a canned response out of. You can see here I've got 2 links. So what I'll do with this link is I'll just copy this link, and I should just remove it, come down to the little link here, so drop this link in there. Now it comes up as a proper link, like a hyperlink. We'll get into the bit where we'll make it into a canned response in a moment, guys. Just stay with me. Again, we'll come over to this link here. So now we have 2 hyperlinks. We have a subject line, we have an email address, we have some text, 2 links. Just finish this message off with, once I type this out, guys, this is saved. I can just send this out to as many people as I want. It's very easy. After I've done this, there'll be no more typing involved because I've spelt with regards wrong. Excuse me, guys. Half awake today, half asleep, should I say. So there's my email, guys. You can see my email address. You can see the body, the subject line of my email, and you can see my email is here. So I don't have to put a first name in. This is just for test purposes. And you can see here the message, 2 links, best regards. And then you come over to here, you see the 3 dots down here, right hand corner. You click that and you come up to templates. And then you come over one and you'll see save as new template. So if I save this as new template, I can just call it affiliate marketing course, because that's what I'm an affiliate marketer. So I'll call it affiliate marketing course, and then I can just send that email. So if I send that email to myself, but now if I run you through that again, guys, I will now have that email to use again as it's saved. So if I've just composed another email. So if I just come over to this again, type in an email address, that's me again. So this time you'll see no subject line and no body. So no subject line, no body. So obviously where I go from here, guys, is pretty simple. As I've copied my email, the email I want to send out, I've saved it. So all I do now is come down to count 3 dots, templates, there it is, and then bang. 3 clicks, guys, and it's in there. So that is how you make a canned response from scratch with Gmail or Google Mail. So I hope you got some value from that video today, guys. If you did, smash a like on the video, share the content around to help other people, guys, that don't know about this. It'd be very much appreciated. Also go and subscribe to the channel, as I will be bringing out a lot more content coming very soon. So like I said, guys, smash a like on the video, share the content around, and I'll be back soon with more great content. Hope you got some value, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.